Welcome to Eciatto. Let me introduce the blender. Okay, so when first that you use the machine, so take care there's two compartments of the machines. Okay, blender jack, okay, motor. When you take off the blender jacks, you still can on the machines. Okay, on the third button. Okay, it's a touch button, means that you long hold to off, one touch to on, but you can't start. Okay, because you need the sensor of the jack. So off. Okay, blender jack, that is two compartments that you need to take concerns. Okay, one is this ring, this plate, no leakage. Okay, so put back the jack, turn on the machines. Low, okay, medium, high, time, on. Okay, off the door. The blender will count down, then it will stop itself when every time the countdown is turned to 0. Okay, then now you can remove the jack. Okay, don't pull the jack like this. Remove the jack like this, up and down. Okay, not front and back. Go up, take out. We got last one, pause. Okay, this thing or this button only when you use it whenever that your blender is stuck. Okay, so your ice is there, your everything is there, so stuck, then you just pause. Okay, to make sure that your blade is moved. Then keep on. When you all clean these jacks, just rinse it or just wash it with soap, but do not remove the compartment. Then this is normally how you use the blender.